Hey guys, it's Tori. So today we are doing my Christmas wish list slash a gift guide. So if you guys need any last minute gift ideas for other people, or you still don't know what to ask for, even though it's literally like 2.5 or 3 weeks till Christmas. But these are all the things I'm asking for and just some ideas for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with my wish list. So I put together an Amazon list and I sent it to a few people who were wondering what I wanted for Christmas. So the first thing is my big gift that I'm asking for this year. And do I expect this? Absolutely not. Would I throw up if I get one? Absolutely. So it's the Marc Jacobs medium tote bag. I'm gonna put up pictures. But I want the like cream beige color with the like black strap. If you guys haven't seen these, you've definitely been living under a rock. They're absolutely beautiful. They have so many different sizes. They have some that are like fluffy, some that are leather, but I'm literally obsessed with this bag. I've had my eye on it for months and months and months. I've even had it in my cart multiple times, been ready to push the button, and I just can't get myself to do it. But I'm obsessed with it. It's beautiful. It's expensive, but that is the main thing on my Christmas wish list. Next, I have just a couple of books. Obviously, I really want the Dirty Air by Lauren Asher series, so I have a few of those on there. I also want the rest of the Magnolia Parks series because I have the first one and I want the next two. And then just some like random ones that I've had my eye on. The next thing is this really cute book mug. It's for like book lovers, you know, and if you have been watching my most recent videos, you know that I'm a huge avid book lover. But it's just like this really cute white mug with some little books on it. Honestly, mugs are a great gift for literally anybody. I work at Starbucks and we have a bunch of really cute ones right now. I actually bought one for myself recently, but you can get mugs literally anywhere. Etsy, Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, anywhere. Next is the infamous book club candle. I did actually smell this in person at Barnes & Noble once and it smells so good, but I just think it's really, really cute and I feel like it'd be perfect for either my book cart or my bookshelf or something. It's just really cute decor. Next, I have a couple of CDs. So I did ask my grandma for a CD and also a book, I think. I usually just give her like some small like little things. But I have 2 more Taylor Swift CDs I don't have, and I also am still missing the Harry Styles Fine Line CD, so CDs are always a great thing to ask for. I have another candle on here, and it is supposed to smell like Harry Styles. He's right here. He's right there. He's husband. Oh, he's also right up there. You know, if you don't know me, Taylor Swift, Harry Styles, loves of my life. And so, of course, a candle that smells like him, how could you ask for anything else? Next, I have vinyls. I got a record player for my birthday this year, and I have been collecting vinyls for about a year now, but I finally got a record player to actually play them. But I have been wanting the Speak Now vinyl by Taylor Swift, obviously, and then Born to Die by Lana Del Rey. I've also had my eye on Pure Heroine by Lorde. That is my favorite album by her. It's so good. You can hardly find it anywhere. I think you can find it on Walmart's website, but other than that, I've not seen it anywhere. And that is kind of everything I'm personally asking for. I'm not asking for a whole lot this year. I just, you know, I'm 19 years old, and so Christmas is not how it used to be, you know. You don't get as many things. I do have some things in my cart that aren't things I'm asking for, but I probably will eventually buy for myself. And these are also some really good gift ideas for those of you who just need a good gift guide, or you have a girlfriend, you don't know what to buy her, or a best friend, or you don't know what to ask for yourself. I got you. So the first few things are some clothing items. There's this really cute knit top I have in my cart that I've been looking at. I have workout sets, not that I work out, but I think that they're just really cute fashion pieces. So I have these really cute cropped workout tops, and then also the matching leggings are on there. They're really freaking cute. And then some skincare is always a great thing to ask for. I know that skincare and makeup can be super, super, super expensive. So I have been on the lookout for the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Serum. This is for redness and hydration, and it's supposed to kind of renew your skin from any scarring you might have from acne. I have a few accessory ideas for you guys. So there's this really, really cute fluffy tote bag that I've been looking at. It's only like $13 or something. It's super inexpensive actually. And then also some really cute sunglasses. You could even ask for like a cute like crossbody or a fanny pack. Bags are always a great thing to ask for. And then some other ideas are just movies you've been looking at. I have had my eye on the Don't Worry Darling movie. I like to have DVDs and stuff because my internet sucks really bad, and so I like to have the DVDs to actually watch them without being like interrupted. Other good ideas are gift cards. So if you're a book lover or a coffee lover, you do Barnes and Noble. Amazon is a good place to get books. Starbucks, Dunkin', a local coffee shop, whoever you're shopping for's favorite coffee place is. Posters honestly are a great gift because they are expensive. They're really expensive. I probably have $200 in posters probably. Posters can be really expensive, but someone's favorite artist or their favorite book, you can get them a poster. Etsy is where I shop for my posters. They have literally the best, so many options, literally anything you can think of. Another great one is slippers. I recently got these really cute slippers. I'll insert a picture, but my best friend Alexia actually has the exact same ones, and I am literally obsessed with them. They are so freaking cute, so comfortable. They were like $25 maybe, or less even. Another great thing is hoodies. I wear so many crew necks. You can get like personalized ones off of Etsy. I have a bunch that are like Harry Styles and Taylor Swift. They have all kinds of personalized items on Etsy. Etsy is the best place to shop for literally birthdays, Christmas, anything. Like, go to Etsy. It is a lifesaver. If you're into more like tech or gadget things, I do have something that I kind of mentioned to my boyfriend that I wanted, but you know, I don't know if he's gonna remember. But I would really love a Kindle. The one I like is the Kindle Paperwhite 16 gigabytes, and it's the 6.8-inch display one. I've heard a lot of different things about Kindles. A lot of people say that they're great if you like to read in bed, which is me. This is my reading sanctuary. I light a candle, I turn on my lamp, I play some Taylor Swift, and I read. And it really, really, really hurts my neck and my back. So honestly, a Kindle I've heard is really good for anyone who likes to read in bed or likes to take books with them a lot of places. You can also get Kindle Unlimited, which is like $10 a month, I think, and you can literally get as many books as you want. So if you're someone who likes to read a lot and you don't like to buy paperback or hardback, that's a really good option for you. I have the absolute best headphones in the world from Amazon. They were like $70, I think. They're noise canceling. They're kind of a dupe for the Apple AirPod headphones. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I love them so much. I use them all the time. I take them when I travel and I use them when I do homework. If you need some beauty recommendations, I would recommend any Natasha Denona palette. That's a good one to ask for. Their formula is literally amazing. It's so good. Foundation favorites, NARS. I love the Urban Decay skin tint. That's what I'm wearing today. It's so good. People love MAC. It's such a nostalgic brand. MAC is really good. They have amazing blushes, bronzers, lip products. If you want a good brush set, I recommend the Morphe X Ariel brushes. I have the full collection, and I've been very tempted to buy just the face ones because those are the ones I use the most. So I'd like to have backups of them. That's how much I love them. They are a little bit pricey, but they're super, super good. And if you are shopping for people for beauty products, right now Sephora has 20% off their entire website, and Ulta also has 20% off your entire purchase. Perfume, oh my god, perfumes is such a good thing to gift people. Every single year since I don't even know how old, 10 maybe, I've gotten a perfume for my dad for Christmas. Surprisingly, I'm not asking for one this year because There aren't a whole lot, and the two that I do want, I'm just going to buy for myself. But the Billie Eilish, the OG one, and the really pretty gold bottle, I wear that one all the time. Anything from Ariana Grande, my top favorites are God is a Woman. Everyone loves the Cloud one. Rem is go-to, so good. She does have two new fragrances. One is vanilla, and I don't remember what the other one is. I think it's blush and vanilla maybe. But she has all kinds of fragrances. Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. Perfume is a really, really good one as well. I think that is everything I can recommend and that I'm asking for Christmas. My list personally is not very long, like I said. I'm just to that age where if I want something, I buy it for myself. I'm definitely an overconsumer for sure. But I just wanted to give you guys my wish list and a gift guide. I've done this video for, I don't even know how long. It's been a long time I've been doing this video. And don't worry, I will definitely be doing a what I got for Christmas. It probably won't be a very big one, but I will be doing that. I hope you guys are so excited for Christmas. Let me know any video ideas or recommendations of videos you guys want to see down below. Check out all my links, my Amazon storefront. I have all kinds of social medias that you can look at. I also have a Goodreads, which I don't think is linked down there, but I'll get on that. I will get on that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!